Hi students, welcome to this video lecturer. In this video lecturer, we are going to see outline of the video lecturers of Unit 1 matrices and determinants. That is Unit 1. Unit 1. That Unit 1 is Unit 1. Unit 1 matrices and determinants. Matrices and determinants. Matrices and determinants. As per the syllabus, total allotted hours is 10 hours. As per the syllabus, total allotted hours is 10 hours and allotted marks is 20 marks. Allotted marks is 20 marks. ಇದು 10 hours syllabus ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು you are going to see recorded videos in 10 sessions. In 10 sessions, that is 10 videos. For this unit, you are going to see the content of the whole unit is divided into 10 videos, that is 10 sessions. That is session 1 to session 10. Session 1 to session 10. In coming next videos, session 1 to session 10 are related to unit matrices and determinant. In session 1, we are going to discuss, that is S1 means session 1. In session 1, we are going to discuss that you are going to see introduction to matrices, definition of matrices, that actually is definition of matrix, singular word, types of matrices. These are the concept going to discuss in session 1. In session 2, you are going to see, that is you are going to learn addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, scalar multiplication and problems on these three concepts. In session 3, that is S3, session 3, in session 3 you are going to see multiplication of matrices and problems on multiplication of matrices. Problems on multiplication of matrices. In session 4, in session 4, you are going to see, or you are going to learn definition of determinant, evaluation of determinant of order 2 and order 3, and some problems on finding unknown values in a determinant. Session 5, 5ನೇ session ಅಲ್ಲಿ you are going to learn, that is you are going to see Cramer's rule to solve system of linear equations with two variables. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು unknowns ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು equation solve ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ you are going to learn Cramer's rule. In session 6, that is S6, in session 6 you are going to learn Cramer's rule to solve system of linear equations with three variables, and problems related to it. In session 7, in session 7, you are going to learn minor and cofactors of elements of a square matrices of order 2 and 3 and problems, and also adjoint of matrix of order, square matrix of order 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ minor ಕಲಿತೀರಾ, cofactor, adjoint in session 7. In session 8, that continuation of adjoint of order 3 for order 3 and problems, adjoint of a square matrix of order 3. In session 9, you are going to learn inverse of non-singular matrices and problems on finding inverse of a matrix. In last session, that is session 10, you are going to learn, you are going to see characteristic equation and eigen values of 2 cross 2 matrix and problems on finding characteristic equation and eigen values. Like this, total unit 1 is divided into 10 sessions. That is for each session one video That is total in 10 videos you are going to see complete content of the unit 1 matrices and determinants. Thank you. See you soon with session 1.